Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. You got, you got potential. You got, you got potential. You got potential.
Period. I know they probably still have. I want this one. I want one with 2 claws. Like, look at this one, all deformed. I want one with 2 claws in that one. But y'all, all of them, like when I started cooking them, the claws just came off. How y'all doing today? I ain't even speak to y'all. How y'all doing today? Y'all, I need y'all to do me a favor. I posted a vote, y'all, for y'all. Ooh, they hot. Woo-wee! Look, y'all. Ooh, they hot. And they juicy. Can y'all see all the juice up in here? Y'all, this is a lot of juice up in here. I kind of want to put it back. Let me try it. And that would make some good, like seafood soup will be bomb. Y'all, I made a post on what I should drink next. Because, y'all, I have no clue. So, let your girl know. I know I did see what somebody commented and told me to do story again. Do y'all want me to do another story? Or y'all over that? Let me know in the comments. Yum. Y'all. These crabs was a surprise to your girl. I wasn't even planning on getting no crabs today, y'all. Yum. And I have to. That thigh meat. I'm going to share that next time I meet with y'all. I promise. Y'all have to cook all my crabs. That's what I was saying before that. I'm all over the place, y'all, but these are good. I'm telling you. Okay. Another juicy one, y'all. I think that these right here was the bottom of the pot. Y'all know the bottom of the pots be real juicy. Ooh, these crabs is hot. Can y'all see the stain? Let me see if y'all can see the stain. I don't even know if y'all can see it. Let me see. Can y'all see the stain? Probably not. But y'all, they are hot. And when I tell you delicious, can y'all see? I want y'all to see this thing so bad. Bomb, okay? Y'all forgot to give y'all the thigh meat again. I got you this time. Wow, look at this. This is the connector. Y'all, let me get this thigh meat right, okay? Oh, I know y'all can't wait. This right here is the best part of the crab, in my opinion. And you got it. Look at this, y'all. You got to take it out a certain way. Look at that. Look at that. All that meat, y'all. Yum. This right here is shell right here, though. Little meat came on. Yeah, I'm stealing y'all meat. Look, y'all. Yum. Now, who don't like that meat? The best part. Oh. Yum. I did my big ones on these. But like I say, y'all, this was a surprise to your girl. But if you want to make your girl happy, give me some blue crabs. Okay? You give me some blue crabs, I am literally happy. I could be having a rough day. You give me them blue crabs. Yum. Are y'all crab leg eaters or crab eaters? Let me know. Y'all know what my favorite is. Crabs. Oh my gosh, y'all. Dropping stuff. Only me. Only me. Okay? Yum. And they're a little spicy too. Y'all, but they are so juicy. Telling you. This is how you know you cook a crab good, y'all. When you can pull out the pieces of meat out of these little pieces. Y'all, look at that. That crab is cooked perfect. I'm telling you. Y'all already know that you don't be getting meat out of these sections. I just want to show y'all that your girl can cook some crabs. Look. Another one. Another one. Another one. DJ Khaled. I mean, these meats right here ain't worth nothing. I normally take this outside and give it to the cat, y'all. But I just want to show y'all that your girl can cook some crabs. Okay? Like, I should start a challenge. If you can't get the meat out of these little ones, your crabs ain't cooked right. I'm telling you. But y'all, I don't normally eat the claws. I am just a body eater, but look. Where they do that at? Right here. Right here. Yum. Juicy, y'all. Oh, yeah, I'm getting crab all over me. Always eat your crab and something that you don't care about, because it's going to get messy. Even if you don't like spill stuff, the juice going to get everywhere, y'all. It always does. So good. Look at that thigh meat. Every time, y'all. Stop playing. Every time. Hands down. What did y'all do today? Comment down below. And let your girl know. Also, y'all, hit that like button. That subscribe button. And that bell to be notified. Okay? And y'all, I did say my grace off camera. I don't want y'all to think I'm not praying for my food because I did. Okay? And your girl did pray for her food. Alright. More of that great old thigh meat. Yum. Comment down below and let me know if y'all eat y'all clothes. Or am I the only one that really don't eat the clothes? Like, let's just be real. I would set up some crabs all through here, y'all. Make it look all pretty. But I ain't gonna have no space to eat. So we ain't doing that today. Okay? We taking crab by crab. Crab by crab. Yum. I want to try to get one that was on top. I'm getting all the bottom crabs, of course, because the top ones is on the bottom after you cook them. But of course, I should have let them cool a little bit, y'all, because they hot, but I want to eat my crabs hot, so it's burning me up a little bit, but y'all, it's good. I'm telling you. I feel like I eat my crab so fast that it really don't have too much time to sit in my hands. Are y'all fast crab eaters? Or y'all slow crab eaters? Let your girl know. I remember. Y'all, let me tell y'all. Okay. Your girl went to go see Woman in the Yard. Okay. Now, I would spoil it for everybody. But I'm gonna be nice. Am I out of frame? Okay, that's better. I would spoil it for everybody, but I'll be nice. I'm not gonna do y'all dirty. But what I will say, matter of fact, I don't know, y'all. I might spoil it. Okay? So watch this at your own risk. Okay? I might spoil it. Let me tell y'all. I'm really gonna sing Woman in the Yard, okay? Y'all, that movie was trash. Garbage. Tomatoes, 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 okay? Garbage. Let me tell y'all. The movie wasn't scary. Okay? I feel like the scariest part of the movie was the lady being in the yard. Okay? And getting closer and closer and closer. Now, that part was scary. But, y'all, outside of that, that movie was trash. I would never see that movie again. I don't want to watch it when it come out on TV. It's not worth it. If you have seen Woman in the Yard, comment down below and let me know what you think about it. And let your girl know, like, what movie is even worth watching now? But if y'all have seen Woman in the Yard, comment down below and let me know what y'all thought about it, y'all. Also, comment down below and let your girl know, like, what movie is even worth watching? Because I'm tired of watching these movies in their trash. Like, what is going on? Like, I feel like movies back in the day used to be good. Even scary movies back in the day used to be scary. Woman in the Yard is trash. I feel like if you got a little kid, they could watch Woman in the Yard with you, in my opinion. It's not even scary. And I don't know if that's, well, no, that's a lie. I was about to say, I don't know if that's because it had kids inside of it, but it's a lot of scary movies that had kids inside of it. What's that name of that movie? Sixth Sense, I believe. That movie was scary. So, it's a lot of movies. The Exorcisms, The Pope. Like, it's a lot of movies that had kids inside of it, and they were executed better. This movie, to me, was trash. Garbage. Like, I don't want a remake. I don't want a part 2. None of that. Don't like it. Y'all, it's a new movie out with Viola Davis in it. Y'all let me know if that movie is good and worth watching or not. Because I want to watch a movie. But I'm tired of watching crappy movies. But I got a couple more to eat, y'all. I'm about to get my son to grab my soda out of there, y'all. Put me a canned Coke in the, thank you, baby, in the freezer. So, y'all, I'm going to drink that. Thank you. Is it cold? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to drink this soda. Yes. All the way up at the top. See it? All the way up at the top on the door. See it? See it? Can you grab it?
Yeah,
okay.
I got long hands, so I can.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh. Did y'all see that? Can you get mommy some paper towels?
Oh.
Y'all, I did see. I don't know if y'all seen Wednesday Addams. It ain't called Wednesday Addams, just called Wednesday. Thank you, baby. But Netflix finally released the second trailer. Okay, y'all, and I cannot wait because I love Wednesday Addams. Okay? Yes, the Addams Family. Yeah, I like Addams Family, okay? So I'm excited that they finally... Can you open my soda too? Can you open my soda before you go? Please, because my hands are so nasty. And I don't want to take off my gloves yet because I'm still eating. Thank you, baby. Appreciate you. How is your soda? Okay, is it strong?
No.
Not really.
Not really. I just tapped it.
Oh, okay, it's not strong. Y'all, these right here are off-brand Cokes. My son said it's not even strong. I don't hear him burping. Y'all know he came from me, so he do be burping. Like his mama.
I'm not burping yet.
I know you're not burping yet. I know. Okay, all right. That was a little one. Come back, let the people hear. They might want to hear you burp. Okay. Woo! Sometimes he be having them massive burps, y'all. Got little ones this time. But sometimes, y'all, myself, I'm burping like a grown man. I'm telling you. If you ain't got one, oh, oh my gosh! Did y'all hear that? Oh my goodness! All right, y'all. How many crabs do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I got like 6 left. I only got 1 dozen, y'all. Well, I didn't get 1 dozen. I received 1 dozen. Like I said, your girl was blessed today, okay? And I'm almost drew, y'all. I'm thirsty. Y'all, like I said, this right here is just a little off-brand Coca-Cola. Cheers.
Excuse me.
Woo!
They do make you burp.
Oh my gosh, son. Y'all, he gonna be on here next burping for y'all. Y'all, he is wilding out. That's how you know when the soda ain't that strong, y'all. Oh, did I lie? Did I lie? I might have lied, y'all. I'm burping like crazy. Why are you staring at me? Woo! Excuse me. Ooh, that felt so good. Y'all, my eye started twitching. Like, what is going on? Sometimes y'all be burping like crazy and my eyes start twitching. Oh. Woo! Ooh. Excuse me. If you have made it to the end of this video, y'all, this looks so bad. Give me a second. Let me just put some crabs up on here, y'all, while I end out this video, so at least it can look a little bit better. Oh, excuse me. Wow. Put that claw back up in here, Birdie. Oh my gosh, dude. Woo! This right here is what your girl have left, y'all. These right here.
Mom, they call you.
Yeah. That leg, you got it? You see the leg? Did I drop out the leg or no?
Yeah, you know the claw.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
You gotta be careful.
Just pick it up. You ain't about to get stabbed, man. Oh my gosh, y'all. I wish y'all would see how my son picking up this claw. Let me show y'all. Y'all, why the claw fell, y'all? Y'all know how we just pick it up like this right here. Y'all, he was like this. He was like, I'm trying to be careful, mommy. I'm trying to be careful. Okay, if you have made it, let me try to get a little thumbnail in. Oh my gosh, son. If you have made it to the end of this video, maybe I should do, that's what I'm saying, y'all. I want one with like 2 claws. I don't even have one that have 2 claws. All right, y'all. Excuse me. If you have made it to the end of this video, y'all, this video is so long, okay? I'm going to try to chop it down a little bit. If you have made it to the end of this video, excuse me. First, thank you. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate you for watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Shout out to y'all. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure that y'all tell y'all families, y'all homegirls, y'all homeboys, them neighbors, and even them strangers about it. Simply Nikki. Y'all tune in to the Burping Queen, okay? She'll be back tomorrow burping for y'all. But what I need y'all to do while my son is in the back burping right now, what I need y'all to do is go over to my post. And I want y'all to comment and let me know what y'all want me to burp to. Don't forget to do that. But until we chat again, y'all, and until we vibe again, y'all, until I see y'all in tomorrow's video, when I drink whatever surprise I'm going to drink for y'all. Because I'm not going to tell you. I'm just going to look and see what y'all voted for. Well, I'm just going to look and see what y'all asked for me to drink to, okay? And whichever one sounds good, or whichever one has the most comments, that's the one I'm going to drink, okay? See y'all. Have a wonderful day. Bye.